Welcome to Prince Institute. Today editorial heading is United Front in Delhi. The second article. Ready? Start now. The newfound spirit of camaraderie between the Arvind Kejriwal led government of Delhi and the BJP led centre has not come a moment too early. Delhi is in the grip of the pandemic and its response had been chaotic until recently. The centre and Mr. Kejriwal have had a long history of mutual hostility affecting the city's pandemic preparedness. Full stop. On March 4, there was just a single case. As of June 16 lakh 44,688 positive cases and 1837 deaths have been recorded. Meanwhile, complaints of denial of patient care, exploitative billing by private hospitals, and deliberate attempts to underreport cases and deaths have surfaced. Whether these a each community separate or not in half of the cases, the infection source is unknown. The national capital is staring at an even bleaker situation ahead as cases are expected to cross 5.5 lakh by July end. All this was to be expected and in fact the purpose of the national lockdown that continued for 10 weeks until June 7 was to prepare the health infrastructure for such a surge. Delhi failed in that task. The pandemic has stretched the healthcare system even in developed countries to a breaking point. Administrative inaction and personality clashes aggravated the situation in Delhi. Home Minister Amit Shah and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal seem to have agreed on the need for enhanced cooperation between the governments, though a bit late in the day. This could potentially lead to a more robust response by pulling in resources. Full stop. In the process, Mr. Kejriwal has conceded some ground to the centre and its representative LG Anil Baijal. Mr. Shah inspected a hospital in the city of Monday, and Mr. Baijal has been taking a hands on approach to the management of affairs. He has used his authority as chairman of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority and powers vested in him to maintain public order during the epidemic to take critical decisions. He has reversed decisions by the Kejriwal government that discouraged testing and limited treatment to only bona fide city residents. A new 6-member advisory committee of eminent experts has been constituted to advise the DDMA. The LG issued orders empowering government officials to impose fines ranging from rupees 500 to rupees 1000 on those found violating norms related to COVID-19 prevention, such as spitting in public, among others. Besides, fresh measures to ensure transparency in the functioning of the city's medical facilities. On his part, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has been uncharacteristically mellowed and said his interactions with Mr. Shah were extremely productive. This cooperation may have been necessitated more by expediency that by choice, but it has given the city hope that it can avoid hurtling toward disaster. Full stop.